Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. Welcome if you guys are new. Today, it is literally taken everything I've had to get up and clean my house. I have not had a good week. I have been under so much stress. I just been dealing with a lot. So, this was the reaction you guys just saw. Oh my God. Wanda got dirty. I thought I cleaned her up enough. I did not. I thought I had cleaned her off enough. I thought I got it all off. I was wrong. But I hope my husband don't see this video because I should have listened. I should have listened to my husband. He said, no, let's not buy a super light gray couch. Let's get something darker. Let's get a black couch or a dark brown, gray, something. But no, I'm like, oh no, I love this one. I love UGG. It kind of reminded me of the softness of the UGG blankets. So I'm like, no, this is the one I want. You guys, I should have listened. I have 4 dogs. 3 huge ones, a little bitty one. And now I got to spend the time to clean this mud off of my couch. Y'all, I really should have listened to my husband. Oh my God. So she got dirty. It's finally raining. So it hasn't rained all summer. So it's finally raining. And it's finally cooling down. I thought I had cleaned her off good enough. I was wrong. But that's okay. At least it wipes up. But like I was saying in the beginning of the video, it has literally taken me all week to get up and clean the house. I have not wanted to. I've just been so stressed out and I've just not been having a good week at all. My son is about to be 18, so I've just been crying about that, and they grow up so fast, you guys. I just can't believe he's about to be 18, and it has just hit me hard that he's growing up and he'll be going off to college soon. At least I have one more year with him because he got held back in the 1st grade. So he'll graduate in 25. So at least I got one more year. And then I'll be in this funk all over again.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm
So right here, I am making a lavender linen spray. It is a tablespoon of rubbing alcohol, about 25 to 30 drops of any essential oil of your choosing. I always prefer lavender. It's just relaxing. And then you're going to mix the essential oil and your rubbing alcohol together. And then you're just going to put a cup of water in there and mix it. Just give it a good shake. And then it is ready for you to spray on your furniture, your curtains. I absolutely love this stuff. I got tired of buying it in the stores. So I looked up how to make the lavender linen spray myself. And it is so easy to make, and it doesn't stain nothing, and it makes the house smell so good. I absolutely love it. So, moving on to this dining room. You guys, this has taken me a few days to get it edited and voiced over, but today is Monday, and I'm getting this all finished up. But earlier in the video, I said it hadn't been my week. I just wasn't feeling it. I had been so busy. I'm still been really busy. Deer season is approaching so fast. And me and my husband are just trying to get ready for opening season. But we spent the weekend in the woods and it was just so relaxing. I had so much fun. I did post a bunch of pictures on Instagram of us out in the woods. It was just relaxing, and that is just what I needed. just to get away and have fun with my husband and just relax. I was going to take my GoPro and take you guys out there with me, but I could not find my GoPro. So I wasn't able to take that, and I was not about to take my camera out there on the four-wheeler in the woods. But
would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
so earlier on this day, I went out to the garden and my basil is still thriving. That is the only thing that is not dead in the garden. So I went and harvested a bunch of it, and I have like 3 basil plants planted and they're all doing really good. But I went and got it harvested and washed it all up. So now I'm just trying to get it all on the dehydrator so I can get it dehydrated and get it blended up so I have fresh basil seasoning throughout the winter. I also have 2 freezer bags in the freezer that are full of basil that I've got put up for sauces and different meals. And I'm also dehydrating some onions. I don't have a whole lot of leftover onions. I had a little bit, and I didn't plan on cooking anything with that took onions. So I wanted to get these just chopped up and get them dehydrated so I can have some onion powder, because I had ran out of my onion powder. But I put this on 158 for 14 hours to dehydrate, and I ended up having to go and add like 3 more hours to it. And my onions, they dehydrated for another day because they weren't fully dried out. But I love having fresh onion powder and fresh basil seasoning.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we've.
So my daughter had cleaned the kitchen the nights before. She did not do a good job at all. Obviously, because I've been moving stuff, and like, she did not wipe the counters down at all the night before. She just put the oven cover back on top of my oven, which leaving food up under there. And then also on the counter, I found dog food. Oh my God. She kills me. She is 15. She knows how to clean the kitchen the proper way. She knows how I want my kitchen done. But I guess that night she just decided she wasn't doing it because I had went to bed early. I wasn't feeling good. And I got up, and that was the state of my kitchen. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. So that is what the filter looks like. It was so disgusting. But I'm going to get this dishwasher loaded up so I can get that filter cleaned. And I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I guess it's just me. But like, more I get into cleaning this kitchen, madder I've been getting. And even editing and just seeing all of this, and it just madder I'm getting. And just, I'm so irritated with her right now because I have showed her how to clean the filter, and I've told them to clean the filter in between every time they use the dishwasher. I mean, because the filter is super easy just to pull out and rinse it out. But she's not doing it. And then she puts the oven cover back on top of the oven with food and nasty oven top and dog food under stuff because she spilt it and didn't even bother cleaning it up. I'm trying to teach her how to clean properly, so when she is grown and moved out, she knows how to clean. Y'all, I feel like I'm failing as a parent because around the sink is awful, and she's just, I don't know. Because I've showed her time after time how to clean the kitchen and how to pull the filter out and clean it. I mean, come on, at 15, you know how to do things. But she don't want to do it. But she don't know yet, but she's going to clean this kitchen another week because this is ridiculous. I guess I'll just make her keep cleaning it until she gets it right. I don't know. She's stressing me out right now, though. Oh my God.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here.
So now I'm going to get this sink cleaned out so I can get these dishes done. I went in with my Lysol disinfectant first. I just sprayed everything down, wiped it down, and then I went in with the Scrub Daddy cleaner and scrubbed out the sink really good, and then went on to getting these dishes washed. I have to have a clean sink to wash dishes, so I always clean the sink first.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay 'cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are, something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us.
It's not a under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, or say bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, gave you guys some motivation. But I will talk to you guys next week. I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday, fantastic weekend, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.